Some people probably don't even know what my whole body looks like. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what I'm really holding, what I'm really working. Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl eToro, aka I See You Glam, and we are back with a new vlog. I'm like so proud of myself because I have really been keeping up with my weekly vlogs this month. Told myself I'm putting pressure on myself as the months go by, and this is what we get. Pressure bust pipes, baby. Okay, it's Monday. Your girl is getting ready for a shoot. I haven't done a photo shoot in so long, so I kind of feel a little bit rusty. I'm a little bit nervous. I am shooting with somebody new, but I have a really good feeling about it. I look cute. I'm trying to do 2 looks. We'll see what ends up happening. Sorry, I'm looking in my phone. A new video just went live on my channel. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling really productive. I've packaged orders this morning. And I did all this before noon. It's 12:09. Shoot is for 12:30 and it's really close by me. So yeah, I'm feeling really good. I love when I'm like super productive and I'm super like on top of my shit. Like it always puts me in the best mood. And when my Monday starts off properly, like the rest of my week just follows suit. So weird too, I just literally like, I know I've been thinking about it, but it just hit me that my birthday is next week, like less than 2 weeks. My birthday is coming up. It's fast approaching. I will definitely be vlogging whatever it is that I do. I kind of just want to chill and like relax at a spa all day. Not the day of my birthday, probably a day around it, and just do an all day luxurious treatment bomb spa day. It's kind of what I feel like treating myself to. So we'll see what I end up doing. I do have an event though on the day of my birthday. I will be vending I See You Glam cosmetics at an event in the city. So yeah, I'm really excited about that. It's my first one as I See You Glam Cosmetics. So excited, nervous, busy, busy, busy. It's going to be a busy, busy remainder of February, as it always is. Like February is such a short month, but it's always super busy. Anyways, 12:10. Let me get something to drink. Let me get in my car and let me get going. I'll see you guys at the location. If you send me the location, hey. Y'all, I think I low-key figured out how to set up my camera in the car. I mean, it's gonna work while I'm stationary, but the real test will be when I'm driving. Anyways, I'm here at the shoot location and waiting for the photographer. She's not too far, so we'll get started when she gets here. I'm shooting by the water. I kind of didn't want to shoot by the water for this particular reason. It's like always breezy by water, but they kind of have like, this is the only place in this area that has that kind of like city, new modern apartment building feeling without it being like all the way down in the city. Rusty, but Stephanie got me, so Stephanie got me. A little sneak peek. Yeah, no, can't get too much. But yeah, okay, awesome. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We'll see. Take care. That's why I love working with like good photographers, because when you're with a good photographer, it just, you like naturally just like fall into it. Like they make you comfortable, they set the vibe, they know what looks good, what angles, they got you. So yeah, I'm really excited for you guys to see the pictures. Probably by the time you guys see this, the pictures will be done. So like, yeah, enjoy. Look at them. Look at them now. I just wanted to, it's been a while of me giving like you guys more of like all of me kind of content. Like I think when I started I See You Glam, I was really into like, you know, looks and fashion with the glam and everything. And some people probably don't even know what my whole body looks like. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what I'm really holding, what I'm really working with. So yeah, I just wanted to, you know, give more pressure every single month. We're doing more things, we're putting out more content, we're trying different things. So yeah, that's why we're here. And I think this was really successful. Like, she's such a good shooter. Like, we shot like this. Like, we look at those pictures and we were like, we pretty much had it. But yeah.